All right, guys, 1 minute to go. Make sure you know what you're watching. I'm going to be watching Tesla and Netflix initially out of the gates. Those are going to be my two for right now. Facebook, MU, ARWR, and AMD are going to be on the secondary for right now.
In 30 seconds.
Yes, scanner. Gotcha. Thank you. All right, guys, you got just a few seconds.
There's the Netflix drop here. Watching that very close here. The VWAP.
Market's instantly kind of pulling down a little bit.
Everything kind of coming down here. Watching Netflix very close.
Facebook's getting crushed already, starting to drop.
Thought about the jump on
AMD,
that.
massive seller's candle on AMD.
I'd like to see AMD get sucked back up here a little bit. Let's see what it does here. Yep, there's the doji on it. If it pops to the 30, I'm going to start a position here. Okay, got short up there near 29.95 on AMD. Netflix starting its bounce early. Boom, come on AMD. On about 20 cents there, the 2,000 shares.
Watching Netflix possibly long here.
Yeah.
All right, I'm long Netflix. Just got in long on Netflix. Looking for a red to green. It's already starting to push beautifully. It's up to 360. Just going to hold. So currently long Netflix 300 shares at 359.54 is my average.
Right behind you, 359.80, 300 shares. AMD is going to be a reverse here, I think. I'm just going to leave AMD. Netflix covering very nicely there.
Yeah, just holding Netflix right now. It looks super strong. So
yeah, no reason to pull yet. Up about 350.
ARWR looks a little weak here, but super low volume. So still holding 300 shares long here on Netflix. Haven't covered up any.
Same here. Facebook is starting to pop up, guys. Watch your short entries there. The 50 would be 50 in there.
Beautiful push here on Netflix. I think Netflix has room to run up all the way to 365, honestly.
Oh, what a beautiful long here.
I'm going to get ready to sell some here on Netflix. It still looks strong.
Yeah, you don't want to hold too right there. I got 100 shares left. Netflix caught the nice top at. We're gonna let that ride. AMD's kind of popping against me. I'm still in. I'm gonna give it a little bit here. If it recovers the 30-20, I'll get out. That'll be a 20-cent risk or 25 cent.
Still got 150 shares on Netflix. Going to try and hold through this pullback here. Again, it's a strong push. Still think we got, possible one leg up on it, or one more leg, shall I say. So still holding long Netflix right now.
There's the Facebook rejection, guys. You got that 50 EMA. That was the perfect short. Perfect call there. 163.87, touched the 50, complete rejection. That was your entry. If the SPY starts popping over this 289.20.
All out of Netflix there, just sold out. So total win there, 619 on Netflix. Facebook popped up, rolling over now. That's still looking a little bearish.
Well, I'm still on Netflix. 100 shares chilling. AMD might be pushing me out here. I'm watching 1320s.
Yeah, I'm watching AMD looking a little choppy right now.
Yeah, she's nasty right now. Still short biased on AMD, so might size into that 1320 rejection if it gets up there again. Not scared of sitting red here. We got a nice Netflix pillow.
Yeah, Netflix still looks strong, man. Maybe
Oh,
should
I'm
have left
good.
some on there. Might scalp this move.
SPY starting to get real wicky. Might come down here. Hopefully it drags AMD down. Still in. It's creating higher lows here, guys, but those huge seller wicks on AMD, it pops up to 1320 and just gets smashed. So I'm still in my position full. 29.90, but a little red on it right now. Just waiting and see what it does.
Ooh, Facebook broke down there.
Yep. Yeah, she's perfect short.
Yeah, no, I missed 50. That.
Apple's coming down here as well. Immediate bounce, of course.
Yeah, not going to chase, not chasing Facebook down, but
there's the Amazon dump, guys. For those of you watching Amazon with me, that was the little pop tested 2000 came down.
Ooh, the SPY's dropping like a rock right now.
Yeah. Yeah, I might pull off my Netflix here if it doesn't hold VWeb nicely.
Starting to watch AMD short here.
Boom, AMD.
Yeah, I'm taking AMD short. Just got in short AMD. I took it pretty low there on that candle, but I do believe we're going to be looking for another drop here. So currently short on AMD. Again, I took it right at the low of the candle, which wasn't the most brilliant idea, but I do believe we are short bias on it right now with all those upper wicks.
Yeah, I mean, AMD can get a little fakey in the early 15, 20-minute range here, guys. But as we learned last time, me and Connor were trading this live to really just trust your trade. Don't panic. If you're short biased on it, stay short biased on it. Start small, re-add to those pops.
5-minute candles are getting bought up pretty quick, but we also had a nice bounce there on the market on this 1-minute candle. So still holding short here on AMD.
Yeah, another reverse thing.
Wow, huge fake there on AMD.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I hate this freaking ticker sometimes.
Yeah, I'm trying to watch it. I'm just trying to watch my 100 shares on Netflix.
So I might have to take my trade off here on AMD and take the loss and get crushed. I don't want to. I'm probably gonna. Yep. So all out of AMD just got crushed $1,000 there on that. So that's gonna put me down 400 on the day. Well, I can't really be too mad at myself. I took it on the low of that red candle, which wasn't a brilliant idea.
Still on Netflix here, starting to bring back the money here. 363.
Ooh,
nice little flag to the 9. So I'm going to take a little bit off on that Netflix pop. I'm going to lock in about 700 there. Still in AMD. 3020 is my stop out. Sticking to the plan short. Amazon popped a fail there. Had a really nice move. I wish Amazon went a little lower, but it didn't. Tesla holding the 282 if you're watching that.
Yeah, Tesla kind of looks a little strong. It's still failing to push higher there, though. Oh, AMD, you piece of poop.
Netflix killing it.
I know. I should just kept my shares on. Go over here and try and trade AMD and get smacked around. I guess I'll just wait. I know there's a move maybe here.
AMD still didn't recover the 30-20, I guess, so I'm still short full position. I'm really trying to stick to my trade plan and patience it out. I've been negative 450 and positive 250, so. But now we got about a $700 pillow on Netflix, so.
All right, starting to watch this AMD again.
Come on, AMD. She wants to relax here. Oh, wow. That was quite the buyer's wick right there.
Yes, it is.
That one scares me in the 1 minute more than the others here, so. Just
check the AMD 5-minute chart, see what it looks like. Still no decision on a 5-minute chart.
Nobody knows what's going on. A $30 level is going to be quite the support and or resistance here. It's really flirting with that 30. Nobody wants it over all-time highs. Facebook recovering the 50. Chilling in Netflix here. Looks like another flag coming up. Should pop to highs. 365 being the ultimate target, and Connor did mention that. Come on, Netflix. Give me another little 365. I'll be happy with 4 points.
AMD kind of looking weak here.
Yeah, oh, there we go. Big green pop from you on AMD. Come on. This is how we stick to the plan. Let's go.
I know.
Let's go.
Now I'm turning more short bias on, just waiting to see what happens on these candles. It's popping up and getting hammered right back down.
I sized down into that pull right here, guys. I got 1,000 shares in AMD. I locked in 50 bucks.
Yeah, I'm taking AMD short. Back in short on AMD. Didn't take the pops, unfortunately, but its sediment looks like it's down unless it starts getting shaky again, which it might. Come on, buddy. Give us one good smack to the downside.
Still impatient here with AMD. I really need it to crack that 2983 and keep to the downside, but it's going to pop off that a few more times, I feel, and then just dump. Market's getting wiki again.
Come on, let's go. Boom. There's what I'm talking about.
What's up?
I wish I would have held originally. Well, I guess I actually probably would have had the same price, but wow. Yeah, I didn't take any on that drop, and now it's just super wiki again. But
nah, that's just confirmation, my man. We just created a new low. Let it pop up into the 50 all at once, even pop up into the 30. I think that's just it's confirmation of the short side today. I don't think we're going any. It's wiki, but SPY turned wiki to bullish, and now it's going to pop. That's all right.
Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous.
Let's start a small position on Tesla here, guys. Been watching this kind of offside here. 282 has to really hold true for us.
So still holding my AMD short here. Again, I shorted at the low like a knucklehead, so holding through pain now.
Man, everything's wiki that I was watching today. Man, all right, Tesla long. It holds VWAP. Let me see what it does. 282 has been floating around too long. Starting a position. Market looks strong. Should pop. Ooh, instant resolution for Tesla. Beautiful long. Oh, man, did I get in just in time there?
Nice.
Taking off 100 shares there.
So still holding short AMD. Down about 500, 400 bucks, 300 now. It's going to keep flipping here until it starts breaking.
Got 100 shares left on Tesla. Let this 283 work out here. Boom, 20 cents, 40 cents.
Beautiful trade there. Beautiful trade.
Nice.
Makes me wish I was not trading AMD.
Ugh. I'm still right over on AMD, $90, but wow, Tesla. Beautiful. Take that off right there.
Oh, that was a candle we needed to go red. Come on.
All right, big winners on Netflix, Tesla, AMD. Just not giving me what I want. The 30 rejection. Come on, baby.
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of waiting for. Seeing it react at this 30 price, at this 200 moving average.
Stupid ask is getting lower and lower. Yeah.
Red prints, that's a good sign.
There it is. I told you 30 rejection, man. Come on. I want the tape to stop turning green. Tesla.
Yeah, beautiful move there in Tesla. Nice shot there.
Not bad, man. Goal is 285.50. I got lots of room.
Wow.
Got a whole point left in this sucker.
Bought right back up.
You're not with me, Dave. Nice man. I'm still in AMD. I'm not leaving this trade red.
Oh, geez, if I wouldn't have taken AMD so low on the short, I'd be all right now, but still holding. Come on. Let's go. These candles keep getting bought up just too much.
I'm holding to my gun. I'm $15 green. I'm happy.
All right, I'll stick to my guns. If I'm red, I'm red. If I end up green, I'm green. Let's go. This looks good. This looks good. Come on. High frequency trading machines all panic at the same time and dump the stock.
Right. 285, let go.
There it goes. Come on. High frequency trading machines all panic right now.
Let's go.
Let's go. Close, but still, we are
premiums are starting to reverse. I'm looking at the tape here. Premiums are starting to reverse. That's very bearish. Put in a downgrade. Boiler room trading downgrade AMD.
Yeah, I downgraded AMD. This means it's supposed to drop. The world knows boiler room trading downgraded AMD. We should start going lower. Come on.
Baby, that's what I needed. Low break candles.
Just give in already. Man, this is it.
Get out of Tesla here.
This 2080s needs to go. She's getting heavy. They're getting heavy.
Boom.
Come on. Oh.
All right, panic
looking for like a super slam.
Oh, it has to. Come on, smoke these wicks. These wicks got to get smashed right here. All the longs are just about to panic.
5-minute chart is just super bearish.
Yeah.
It's that long lower wick below this candle that's keeping it up. Oh, I'm sticking to it. I'm holding.
Yeah, I'm not. I mean,
get my money back on this sucker today.
I could lock in this 120 here, but we're up too much today. We got a very big cushion with that Tesla and Netflix rips. Ooh, there it is. That's it. There's the panic.
Let's go, you
Good
sucker.
morning.
I'm not covering yet. Not covering.
No, I need this thing.
Come on, give us another little slam. A lot of sells coming in. Let's go. Ask is dropping. Ask is dropping.
Oh, there's the premiums.
Yeah, come on.
Took a little bit off on that. I got 500.
Yeah, just covered 3,000 shares on that drop.
Jesus. Tesla's over the goal here, guys. If you're in Tesla, this thing has broken out of major resistance, so there's pushes to be had.
All right, I'm done with AMD now. That was enough for me. Enough playing with that fire. So just got back some money on the day. Still so down up 165 now after that big loss I took originally. So
Okay, I'm gonna leave those 500 shares on AMD. Locked in 200, so we should be just fine there. Tesla really helping out my morning here. Wow. Apple dump. What's good old Facebook doing here?
Netflix is kind of hanging out doing its thing right now. Facebook doesn't look too bad. MU is starting to look a little weak. But
wow, Apple's fucking freaking going, man. 221.50. I did not expect that.
watching MU here, MU is looking pretty weak.
Still watching Amazon here, guys. I want that sell-off at 1975 mark to hit today. We might get a intraday swing on that. If we can get down to that 1975.
Watching, still just keeping a close eye on AMD. Facebook's kind of iffy right now. Nothing really certain there.
Facebook kind of lower high.
Yeah, I'm kind of watching that.
Mm-hmm. Amazon's channeling. I don't like that.
Yeah, I might be watching Facebook short here.
Ooh, spy pop. And then drop.
All right, I'm taking Facebook short, looking like it's kind of rolling here. So I'm going to give it a chance to kind of roll over and break down. If it reverses and starts going green, I'll immediately exit on the trade. Like that, it's already starting to get bought up just over the VWAP. So really looking for this to roll and start breaking to the downside, but we'll see. Yeah, see, it's kind of getting bought up a little bit.
AMD up here, big pop to the 50. Actually added into my short for another short on AMD because the 50 EMA.
Let's go, Facebook.
Worked
Start
out
getting slammed.
Take a little bit off.
All right, so still holding short here on Facebook. 500 shares, averages 163.71, up about $50 on the trade, not a ton.
Facebook working out nice for you there. This level right here, she snaps that 163.60.
Let's go. Ooh,
kind of got support here. I'm trying to.
Let's go, Facebook.
We should be okay.
Yeah, buddy.
AMD, nice drop back below the 9.
Still holding short Facebook. There it goes. Yeah.
Nice.
All right, going to look and cover 250 shares here. So half my order on Facebook. Boom. On that drop, just covered up 250 shares. Actually, probably should cover up a little bit more. Well, now it's below the VWAP, so we'll see how it reacts here.
Boom, AMD. Making it. All right, guys, so I added into my position at 29.90 short AMD for the bread and butter play, the 50 EMA rejection.
All right, so I just took everything off Facebook there. I'm really just trying to inch my way back into this green, get a good green day. So up 326 now on the day. Tesla going nuts. God damn, why didn't I do it? Why didn't I trade that?
Took a nice chunk off on that AMD drop. Back down to another 500 shares on AMD, but we locked in another $100 on that.
Ooh, Netflix had a nice little roll there.
Yeah, right through VWAP.
Could have seen that drop coming, but missed it.
Man, Tesla 2.5 points away from the
AT&T going pretty nuts here today. Ooh, look at the drop on AMD. Baby.
That's what I'm talking about, boys. 50 EMA rejection, fail the lows.
Oh, I wish I just had that patience, you know.
Bam.
Sometimes. I'll look for a low a day bounce here on Netflix. 300 shares is what I'm probably going to do is a low a day kind of scalp trade. If we can get down towards low a day, it's already kind of getting bought up before that, but I would like to see it drop to, you know, low a days area, which is about 358, and look for a bounce scalp trade.
Man, that was a beautiful, beautiful play on AMD. I still have 500 shares and I didn't cover anything. Pocket's still big here.
Oh yeah,
29.68 rejection.
Yeah, Facebook just got crushed. So yeah, I just covered up because I'm just trying to get myself kind of inch my way back into the green, looking for some smaller wins right now. Wow, ARWR had a nice rollover and dump.
Netflix starting to close bearish under the 50 now.
Mm-hmm.
That could have some movement to the down here, guys.
Yeah, watching Netflix closely now. 5-minute chart's turning pretty bearish. We might get a rollover and start dropping.
Yeah, I took a few shares here with 50 rejection, 360.53. Nice. Caught the top of that 50 image.
I know, that was nice.
Wow.
Yeah, watching Netflix, possibly short here. See how it reacts.
Suck. Get down there. I'll give it to VWAP recovery if it happens to get up. I'm not too big into it. Sized in 200 here. Looks nice. No fear. Let's go. Still riding 500 shares AMD, man. I don't know if I like this reversal point here or not. Take it off. I like that $300 a whole number. So no more shares AMD.
Okay, Netflix curled up.
Yeah, a little red there. Let me give it to the VWAP. Size up if it starts looking weak at VWAP.
Big drop here on Tesla, though. Oh, could do like a VWAP scalp trade here on Tesla. It gives us the VWAP or maybe even a 50 drop. Be a big drop. But come on, drop down towards the VWAP, give me a tag, and I'm going to long Tesla here and scalp 300 shares. Could probably get a $250, $300 winner if it drops down to that VWAP area.
Yeah, I'm gonna reverse Netflix here, guys. I don't like the pop over here, so one little click and switch that. I'm gonna leave that. And she rejected me. So long off that big pop support on Netflix here.
Come on. Yeah, it looks like Tesla's going to do a little squeeze here. I might still scalp this. I really would like it down at the VWAP or the 50 for a scalp trade.
Those of you watching Amazon, we got only 2 points or so drop with those last 3 big candles in consolidation. If it continues down a little bit here, the bounce might be a little early, but watch for that reversal point. Netflix long working out now. Nice little reverse play, switch biased. We can get back over the VWAP and hold. I'm not trusting it to go.
The SPY is rolling over and dropping, so watch out for your longs. Look at MU right now. MU, it might be looking to break down here in just a few seconds. Kind of what it's doing is channeling into a downward wedge.
Oh, AMD. Fresh low is in a big panic on AMD. Man, I'm gonna get out of Netflix here. I think it's just chopping me up. All out of there.
MU starting to break to the downside here. No, don't go without me.
All right, Amazon. A few points away. Let's go. Come down.
I'm taking AMD short. Just hopped in AMD short. It's breaking the wedge to the downside. Kind of caught the low of that candle, but it did break the wedge to the downside. So I'm going to hold here for just a sec. See what it wants. Oh, it's getting sucked right back up, even after breaking through that wedge. That's not a good sign for it to get bought up like that instantly. So I'll still hold though.
Man, see, I didn't exercise my patience on Netflix there, guys. My short would have been fine. Rejecting the VLab, coming back down to initial entry and down. Get back a little bit here.
MU getting bought right back up after it broke through the trend to the downside.
Jesus.
Oh, well, the market also just squeezed like crazy.
Just
that makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense why MU just got bought up. That's unexpected. So still holding MU short. Got faith in the play. Still trending to the downside right now.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait here, guys.
And there's that scalp trade that I was looking at on Tesla. Didn't quite reach the VWAP, but there was a nice scalp trade to be made there. Yeah, if MU keeps doing this and getting all fakey, I'm just gonna pull the trigger out. Yeah, I'm taking it off. So all out of MU, pretty significant loss there, thanks to the market squeezing like crazy instantly. So that's gonna put me probably about just down 100 now. Gosh, choppy trading days, you gotta love them.
So starting to get long here on Amazon. It bounced pretty much right at my level, 174 or 1974. 89 was my level, bounced at 83. So I'm looking for this reversal support bounce on Amazon. Took 100 shares, got filled at 1981, unfortunately, top of this candle, but we're going to look for the 1980s to hold nice and strong here.
Netflix actually looks kind of strong here.
Yeah, very.
The market got a nice curl going to it. Might consider longing this for a scalp up. We'll see.
On Amazon. Let's go, buddy.
Bids are increasing on Netflix.
Yeah, that's prime.
All right, I'm long Netflix here. The bids are increasing. I do believe we might get a little pop here on Netflix. Yep, there it goes. Nice. I'll hold it for a quick second. Popped up, right back down. Still got increasing bids. That's good.
Wow. Amazon, baby. What's up? 2 points.
It's not a strong opening candle on Netflix. That's not what we want to see.
So I locked in a little bit on Amazon there. I don't mess around with Amazon too much. 150 shares.
So still holding Netflix here. It's above the VWAP, above the 9. I'm gonna break below the VWAP. If it starts breaking that, I'm just gonna call it on that trade. Yeah, it's already breaking down below the 9. Give it a quick second here.
Anybody catch that? I posted in chat for that nice little reversal there. long call. 9 o'clock. Perfect reversal.
All right, all out of Netflix. Trade I wanted didn't work out the way I wanted, so probably down, what, 265. Not a bad red day, so I don't know. I might just have to call it there on the recording. What time is it? It's 10:03. Yeah, we've been recording for about 30 minutes now. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you watching on YouTube, great example of winning and losing a bunch of money all in the same day. Anyways, take care, guys. Thank you guys once again for tuning in.